The Supreme Court has now issued a stay order. There has been an injunction on any kind of puja or other religious activities at the well which is located near the disputed Shahi Masjid in Sambhal. The Supreme Court has also said that they are all set to hear the case on the 21st of February. In November 2024, the top court called upon the authorities to maintain peace and harmony after violence had rocked following the court order. Take a look at this report coming in from Uttar Pradesh.
Tensions surrounding Sambhal's Shahi Jama Masjid continue, particularly around a private well located near the mosque. On Friday, the Supreme Court stepped in, ordering that no action be taken concerning the well without its permission. The top court has ordered that there will be no worship or holy bath at the well. It also directed the Uttar Pradesh government and local administration to refrain from acting on a municipal notice aimed at opening the well for public use, which is partially located within the mosque's premises.
We had appeared before the Honorable Supreme Court, and our contention and submissions were the alleged well is outside the purview of the alleged mosque. It is outside the mosque, and the puja part and all the rituals were happening from time immemorial, and recently that puja part has been stopped. The court has issued notice in the matter. The court has asked the Uttar Pradesh government to file a status report before the Honorable Supreme Court before the next date of hearing, which is 21st of February, and the court has also directed the private respondents to file their counter affidavit. Now the case will be heard before the Honorable Supreme Court on 21st of February.
While the Supreme Court passed an order to maintain the status quo regarding the well at Jama Masjid of Sambhal, just 250 meters away, digging began at a well built at the door of another mosque.
संभल की जामा मस्जिद से मात्र 250 मीटर की दूरी पर ही ये वो मस्जिद है जहां पर इस मस्जिद के बाहर ही कुएं की खुदाई का काम संभल के प्रशासन ने शुरू करा दिया है। ये वो मस्जिद है जो कि संभल कोतवाली के सामने स्थित है, और अब इस मस्जिद के परिसर में जो ये कुआं स्थित है, उस कुएं के अंदर खुदाई का जो काम है वो शुरू कराया गया है।
इन सभी के ऊपर जो अतिक्रमण है उससे न केवल पर्यावरण को हानि है, अपितु हमारी जो ऐतिहासिक सांस्कृतिक धरोहर है उसकी भी क्षति हो रही है। तो उसको पुनर्जीवित करेंगे, पुनरुद्धार करेंगे।
As the Mandir Masjid showdown escalates, UP Chief Minister, in an exclusive interview to India Today, set the record straight on the raging controversy.
हम तो इसी बात को कह रहे हैं भी जो सनातन धर्म से जुड़े हुए प्रतीक हैं उसमें अनावश्यक बाधा मत खड़ी करो, उसको वापस सम्मानजनक ढंग से दे दो। सौहार्द के हित में, स्वतंत्र भारत में ये सब भारत को प्राप्त होने चाहिए, अनावश्यक उसमें विवाद नहीं खड़े होने चाहिए। और उस विरासत के लिए अगर हम अपने पूर्वजों से जुड़ी हुई उस परंपरा को पुनर्स्थापित करने की बात कर रहे हैं तो मुझे लगता है कोई बुराई नहीं होनी चाहिए।
The controversy intensified following a civil suit filed on November 19th, 2024, claiming that the Shahi Jama Masjid was constructed on land that once housed a Hindu temple. This led to a court order survey of the mosque, which triggered violent protest on November 24th. The Supreme Court has scheduled its next hearing for Feb 21st, 2025, during which it will review the status report from local authorities. The court's focus remains on preventing further violence and ensuring peace in Sambhal. With Abhinav Mathur, Bureau Report, India Today.